Hello guys, so today is Monday, June 29th. Very, very big day for S&P 500 bulls and the bulls across the market, across the board. Today was a surprising bull day because starting out within the first 5 to 30 minutes, SPY had already broken the lows of Friday, and it was not looking like it was going to be a good day. But after we broke Friday's lows, we immediately shot up to highs of the day and resistance here at exponential moving averages. So after beginning of the day, after we hit this big rush up, we were expecting some consolidation because we were a little bit overextended on the hourly time frame. We had 4 hours in a row of higher highs and higher lows. So we were expecting some sort of consolidation, minimal, just because of how extended we had already gotten. What we were looking for, S&P was in an hourly downtrend, and what we were looking for was we had resistance at 307.64. We started out the day hitting those lows of the day at 298. And of course, throughout this bounce, anything was going to be a lower high under 307. So we hit that lower high at 304, and we had this little higher low and higher high to finish the day. So we finished the day super strong. We finished the day with an hourly trend change. So we have our low, our high, our higher low, and our higher high. So very, very, very good price action for the bulls, especially ending the day with that hourly trend change. So looking for tomorrow, the first thing that's got to happen for the bulls to maintain control is we have to hold 302.18. That is our hourly support. And as long as we break the highs of today, tomorrow at some point, then this 298.93 down here will be most likely our daily higher low. So if I zoom out to the daily time frame, zooming out to the daily time frame, big picture, we were looking for a daily higher low compared to 296.74. So big picture on the daily time frame for the S&P 500, we had the highs of this whole corona bounce at 323.41. We have our low of consolidation at 296.74. High of the bounce was set at 315.64. And at this point, we knew that we were going to get an equilibrium. And on any dip, we're just looking for a daily higher low above 296.74. So as long as we break today's highs tomorrow, then we know that our daily higher low is set. And next thing we're looking for is to finish off this equilibrium, or keep it going at least into probably the end of this week. Most likely we'll be looking for a lower high. Anything below 315.64 is a lower high. And then we'd look for a higher low above 298.93. So that is the most likely scenario if we do break today's highs tomorrow. Also going to show two examples of stocks that have already found their daily higher lows. So bringing up Tesla. Tesla is a lead bull in the market. Just like the S&P 500, we were looking for that daily higher low, and that was set on Friday, pretty sure. So we have our all-time high at 1,027. We have our low of consolidation at 908.50. We had a bounce, which was a lower high at 1,019. And we were looking to set a daily higher low on this pullback, anything above 908.50. So just like the S&P 500 where we had a daily equilibrium, we also have a daily equilibrium here with Tesla, where we have our high, our low, our lower high, our higher low now set at 937. And next resistance we have is 1,019.20. So it's all up to the bears tomorrow to defend that 1019 level. If bulls break that, then they'll be looking right back up towards all-time highs and continuing this strong, very strong uptrend that Tesla has been having. So if you are looking to get into Tesla, it might be a little bit late. I mean, it would have been better to bottom fish around support. But if you are going to be making an entry off Tesla when it does break out into higher highs, then the resistance or the support level you would use, anything above 937, keeps the bulls in control on the daily time frame. So we could see Tesla reject here still, form a daily lower high, form a little higher low, and then break out. So it could be either or. If the bullish is, if the market's bullish tomorrow, then we'll probably be busting right through this resistance at 1019.20. Just like Tesla, Boeing, BA is the lead in the airline sector. So just like S&P 500 and Tesla, where we have the daily equilibrium, Boeing has its high at 234.20, low of consolidation at 166.01. We had a bounce, which formed a daily lower high under 234.20. So we set that at 208.30. So high, low, lower high, higher low. So we've bounced so much today that we can definitely say that this is our higher low being set at 167. And the next resistance we have is at 208. So that's about $15 away. So there's a lot of room left. If tomorrow's a big bullish day, then that resistance will be the first thing that Boeing will be watching out for. So Boeing could very well set a daily lower high tomorrow and then pull back to set a higher low. Another stock I want to go over is Spirit Airlines. Ticker symbol is SAVE. And I want to go over because I think it is a really good play. Just like Boeing, today it set its daily higher low. So let me erase these lines. We have our high at 25.94, our low set at 15.70. We bounced and we set a daily lower high at 22.50. And Amber Alert, that's not good. And today, we changed the hourly trend, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we had our low, our high, our higher low, and our higher high. So airlines have changed the hourly trend, marking that low as our daily higher low, marking this as our daily higher low. So when you have a trend change, either bearish or bullish, then you can zoom out to the daily time frame and mark that level for support resistance. So now any bounce that Spirit Airlines has is just looking for a daily lower high below 22.50. And that about wraps up the stocks I'm going to go over today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll be putting out a lot more videos going forward. Also, if you haven't followed my Instagram page, go to the description down below. The link will be there for you to follow. I also have a private group I'm trying to build up for trading and learning about investing and such. So check that out as well. And check out tomorrow's video. I'll be posting around the same time as today.